Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Agent Communication and Coordination. How AIs talk and team up for complex tasks. Imagine an AI agent not as one super brain that knows everything, but as a specialized worker with a specific job. Think of a project team. You have a designer, a coder, a tester. Each is an agent with a particular skill. An AI agent is a piece of AI that can perceive its environment, make decisions, and act towards a goal. For example, a flight booking agent knows how to find flights. Just like people, one agent can't do everything perfectly. For bigger, more complex tasks, these specialized AI agents need to talk and team up. Why can't one giant, all-knowing AI just do everything? Consider building a house. You don't hire just one person to be the architect, plumber, electrician, and builder. That would be slow, inefficient, and likely lead to mistakes because no single person is an expert in all those fields. AIs are the same. Complex problems, like planning an entire vacation, flights, hotels, activities, local tours, require different kinds of expertise. Breaking down a big problem into smaller tasks that specialized AIs can handle together is far more effective than one trying to do it all. AIs don't have coffee breaks to chat. They communicate by sending structured messages to each other. For a developer, this means designing specific message formats, often using things like JSON or XML. Imagine it like filling out a very specific form or sending an email with a strict subject line and body format. One agent sends a request, e.g., find me a flight to NYC, and another processes it and sends back a response, e.g., here are flights. It's all about clearly defined inputs, outputs, and agreed upon rules for exchanging information. As a developer, you're like the language designer for these AI teams. You decide exactly what information can be exchanged and how. This involves a few key concepts. Asterisk, protocols. Asterisk, think of these as the rules of engagement. If Agent A asks for X, Agent B must respond with Y and Z. Asterisk, ontologies. Asterisk, these are shared understandings of terms. If one agent says destination, all agents must agree on what destination means, e.g., city, airport code, country. Asterisk, APIs, application programming interfaces. Asterisk, these are the actual doorways or methods agents use to send and receive structured messages. You're essentially defining functions that one AI can call on another, passing specific data and getting a structured response back. Simply talking isn't enough. Agents need to asterisk coordinate, actively work together towards a common goal. Imagine a human project team. They don't just send emails. They assign tasks, set deadlines, and ensure everyone's work fits into the overall plan. AI coordination involves strategies like asterisk, task delegation. Asterisk, one agent might recognize a subtask it can't handle and delegate it to another specialized agent. Asterisk, shared knowledge bases. Asterisk, a central whiteboard or database where agents can update their progress, share discoveries, or store information that other agents might need. This ensures everyone is working with the most current information. How do these agents know who should do what and when? Someone needs to coordinate the whole symphony of tasks. Asterisk, centralized coordinator. This is like a project manager AI. One specific agent is responsible for breaking down the task, assigning parts to other agents, and overseeing the overall progress. Asterisk, decentralized, emergent coordination. Asterisk, agents figure it out among themselves. They might bid for tasks, negotiate, or respond to broadcasted requests based on their capabilities. There's no single boss, but rather a system where teamwork emerges from individual interactions. As a developer, you design which coordination strategy best fits the problem you're trying to solve. Where do we see these AI teams working together today? Asterisk. Smart homes. Asterisk. Your voice assistant, Agent 1, processes your command, tells the smart thermostat, Agent 2, to adjust the temperature, which then tells the smart blinds, Agent 3, to close to save energy. Asterisk. Customer support. Asterisk. An initial AI chatbot, Agent 1, handles basic FAQs. If it encounters a complex query, it escalates to a specialized billing agent, Agent 2, or a technical support agent, Agent 3, to provide a tailored response. Asterisk. Supply chain management. Asterisk. AI agents track inventory, predict demand fluctuations, and coordinate with shipping and logistics agents to ensure timely delivery. These are all powerful examples of specialized AIs communicating and coordinating for complex tasks. Understanding agent communication and coordination isn't just theory. It's a powerful tool for you as a developer. Instead of trying to build a single, monolithic AI that attempts to do everything, you can now design smaller, focused AI agents, each an expert in its domain. Then, you design how they communicate and coordinate. This approach makes your AI systems asterisk. More flexible. Asterisk. Easily add or remove agents. Asterisk. Easier to build and maintain. Asterisk. Each agent is simpler. Asterisk. More robust. Asterisk. Failure in one agent doesn't bring down the whole system. Asterisk. Capable of tackling truly complex problems. By combining specialized intelligences, you become the architect of AI teams, unlocking incredible potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.